In this tutorial, I'll show you how to begin working from the Method 2 side on the First Degree Freebies forum. Method 2 allows you to work toward cash or products on the IFW sites by obtaining the specified number of referrals, also known as greens. Each IFW site you completed for Method 1 can now be used for your Method 2 work. You should be experienced with the Method 1 techniques before you switch over to Method 2, so you will have the knowledge and experience to help your referrals. On the First Degree Freebies forum, you will need to trade in the Prime Trading Forum until you have a TR of 5 or higher. In this tutorial, we will start by working just one IFW site. However, when you are comfortable with Method 2, you can work several sites at the same time. Once you have selected an IFW to work with, you'll need to determine how much you're going to pay each of your referrals. The site I'm using is Gaming and NovaSnet. On this site, I'll need one referral in order to receive a $75 payment. You should set a price per green that is fair to your referral and also leaves a profit for you. A good idea is to search the forum to see what others are paying for the same site. I have decided to set my payment at $40. To complete the site, I will pay $40 to each referral to receive the $75 payment, giving me a $35 profit. Next, you will need to decide the timing of the payment. Since you have already been working on Method 1, you should be familiar with the two timing options, on green and on approval. For this trade, I'll pay my referrals on green. Your referral link can be found in the dashboard of the IFW site. On this site, it is under the account information. This link has to be used by your trade partners in order for you to be credited for the referral. Now that we have established the terms of the trade, the next step is to set up a trade offer in the Trade Manager. Click Add Trade Offer. This tutorial covers referral for cash trades, but once you get started with Method 2, you might want to consider setting up a referral for referral or some of the other options also. You'll be using a series of drop-down menus now to set up the trade. First, we'll select Prime Network since Gaming and NovaSnet is a Prime site. Then the IFW is a NovaSnet and the site Gaming. Copy your referral ID from the link on the IFW site and paste it into this box. Then I'll select Referral for Cash, and you'll notice the IFW, site, referral link, and offer link are included, saving me time in entering my offers. Enter the amount that you will pay for the green in the amount paying field. If you want to offer a bonus, you would enter it here or at the end of the trade when you pay your trade partner. Payable on green for the timing. There are several options for the order of the partners on the trade. I am selecting this based on TR. Lowest TR goes first. That means that the trade partner with the lowest trade rating will complete their side of the trade first. Time to be completed, I'll put 30 days. Paid by after, I'm selecting 8 hours. I can usually check in several times a day, so this is not going to be a problem for me. The site allows MCRs after 3 days, and I'm entering 30 days for the trade to be completed after the MCR is filed. You can leave additional information in the additional trade term box if so desired. Select the color for the trade row and click Submit. If you need to make any changes to your trade offer, just click the Edit button. When you have multiple trade offers set up, you can click the number to reorder them in your list. Once a trade offer is set up, you are ready to create a trade thread in the Referral for Cash section. First, you might want to take a look at several trade threads in the Referral for Cash to get an idea of how other members are presenting their offers. As you have probably seen, the trade threads vary from extremely basic to elaborate creations with colors and graphics. I will leave that up to you. You want to create a basic thread with the necessary information. Click on the New Post Topic button in the Referral for Cash Trades area. Enter a title and a description for your trade thread. In the message area, be sure to include the specifics of the trade, including the site name, the payment for the green, and the timing of the payment. You can highlight text and use the editor buttons to change fonts, size, colors, and various other options. Click Preview Post to view the formatted results. When you are satisfied with the looks, you can click Submit New Thread. Once your topic appears in the trading post, you will start receiving replies to the topic, private messages, or trades initiated directly from your trade offers page. I have received a message indicating that Green for Me has initiated a trade from my trade offer. Click the link in the message to go to My Trade section of the Trade Manager. If you agreed with the trade, set the trade status to view more information to make the decision to whether accept or reject the trade. Click the trade status to accept the trade. Now the trade has been started status. Your partner will automatically receive a message with instructions on their next step, but you can go ahead and send them your own PM if you would like. I will let Green for Me know that I'm available to answer questions if he has any problems with the trade. Once they have completed the required offers in the IFW site, they should indicate in the Trade Manager that they are green. Once they check the option to send a PM to their trade partner, you will be notified of the change in the trade status automatically. Otherwise, you can just keep an eye on the status of the trade in your Trade Manager. You'll also receive an email that you have a referral who has met the offer requirements. When you are notified of the green, go back to your IFW site to confirm that they are showing as a referral on your status page. Once you have verified the referral, return to My Trades page and click on Update Trade. If you are paying on approval, you would set the trade status at this time to waiting for approval. Since this trade was set up as paying on green, I can send the payment now by clicking the Pay Now link in the Trade Manager. You will see the First Degree Freebies logo at the top and that you are paying on a Gaming and Novusnet and the amount listed on the left. Just log into your PayPal account and from that page click Send to complete the payment. Once you have made the payment, you can mark the status as PayPal sent in the Trade Manager. When they receive the payment, they will mark the trade as completed in their Trade Manager. Now you can also mark the trade as completed. At this point, both parties will leave a trader rating and comment for each other. Repeat this process for each referral for your IFW site. As you have obtained the required amount of referrals you need, you will be able to complete the order process to receive your product or cash. This will vary on different IFW sites, but usually involves clicking a link that says something like Submit your account for approval or order. That is the process for completing a site from the Method 2 side of First Degree Freebies. Check the terms and conditions for your IFW sites. Some will allow you to repeat the site to earn additional cash or product.